Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to part 2. Let's continue learning and exploring the topic with clear, simple explanations you can apply right away. Whole fish usually stay fresher longer, but fillets are easier if you are new to cooking fish. Frozen mackerel can also be good if it was frozen quickly after harvest. If you buy from a counter, ask the fishmonger to clean and gut whole fish and even butterfly them for grilling. A quick, friendly question can save you a lot of work at home. Simple prep steps so your grilled mackerel does not stick or fall apart. When you get home, pat the fish dry with paper towels. If you are working with fillets, run your fingers along the flesh and pull out any pin bones with tweezers. For whole fish, make a few shallow slashes in the skin so the heat and seasoning reach the flesh. Right before grilling, lightly oil the fish and the grill grates. This simple step does more to prevent sticking than any fancy trick. If you use a wet marinade, let the fish sit for 15 to 30 minutes in the fridge, then let extra liquid drip off before grilling. Dry rubs work better when you want crisp skin, since they do not add extra moisture to the surface. Easy grilled mackerel marinades and dry rubs with pantry ingredients. You do not need a long ingredient list to make mackerel taste great. Try one of these simple ideas. Lemon garlic herb. Use olive oil, lemon juice and zest, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley or thyme. This tastes bright and fresh, perfect for a light weeknight dinner with salad. Soy ginger honey. Mix soy sauce, grated fresh ginger, a little honey, and a splash of oil. This gives a salty sweet, savory glaze that is great for rice bowls or meal prep. Spicy chili paprika rub. Stir together chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and a bit of brown sugar. Rub it on with oil for smoky, spicy fish that fits right in at a backyard cookout. Once you find a combo you like, you can adjust the heat, sweetness, or herbs to match your taste. Grilling, serving, and leftovers turn grilled mackerel into easy meals. With your fish prepped and seasoned, the actual grilling is quick. The goal is crisp skin, moist flesh, and no stress. Step by step, how to grill mackerel so it is crispy outside and moist inside. Heat your grill to medium or medium-high. Make sure the grates are clean, then oil them lightly. Place the mackerel skin side down first, since the skin protects the flesh and needs more time to crisp. For fillets, plan on about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side and 2 to 3 on the second, depending on thickness. Whole fish usually take 6 to 8 minutes per side. The flesh should turn opaque and flake easily with a fork, but still look juicy in the center. If the fish sticks, give it another 30 seconds before you try to flip. It often releases on its own when the skin has crisped. If the skin flares up, move the fish to a cooler part of the grill for a minute, then slide it back once the flames calm down. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.